Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add slide numbers in PowerPoint slides. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to add slide numbers in PowerPoint slides. When you are in PowerPoint, click Insert, and after that here in the text box, click header and footer, and then here check slide number. And if you want to add slide numbers to all the pages, to all the slides, click apply to all. And if you don't show on title slide, just you can check this box, but it's okay, it's fine. And then here click apply to all, and you can see here this is the first slide. Let me just decrease it. Yeah, you can see here slide 1, and here 2, and here 3, and here 4. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add slide numbers in PowerPoint slides. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.